Hey guys, it's Dan from Degenerate Forge. I'm recovering from my defibrillator replacement surgery. So I'm working on, when I'm feeling a little bit better, finishing editing a couple of videos to put those out there. And then I'll be doing some non-forging videos, maybe some tool reviews. And yeah, you'll see when I was in the hospital. Doing good. Tony. Good. Hey guys, we're doing good. So we're gonna be doing a video on the new defibrillator. Well, old one. I'm still woozy, but gonna make some cool stuff. And yeah. In the hospital. Pretty cool. My surgeon loved the little arc reactor. I'm gonna have a full video on my personal channel on my story. You know, why I had a pacemaker defibrillator and how I survived almost being dead for 8 minutes because they had to do CPR for 8 minutes when I had my heart thing. So remember, sometimes progress doesn't look like you're doing much. Sometimes it's just healing. So be safe, have fun, make some cool stuff, and always wear your eye, ears, and respiratory protection. Bye. Also, I know I kind of messed up on the beard. I kind of undercut, so it kind of looks like I got a double chin, but we're getting there.